In our today video, we're going to compare the cooling performance of a normal water with a special cooling liquid. So we're thinking to start the test bench with the 3 liters of normal water, like of the room temperature. I will show you later. And then we're going to repeat the test with adding this liquid and creating another like professional cooling liquid. Let's see how it works and what we'll have as a result. So I'm going to turn on the machine. So we have the test bench already on. So the laptop is connected. This is our today's setup. Benevelli big motor directly connected to the brake system as a load. Hydraulic system, as you see. Now I will swap this tank with the 3 liters of pure water. This is our 3 liters of water. And this is the nearest 20 minutes system. So let's check what's the temperature. So the temperature is around 35 degrees, 34 point something, like same to entire system. Everything is blue. Everything is like kind of cold now. Let's warm up. So now we are in our motion terminal. We'll pair the controller. Go to actions. Now we increase the current limit to 100. Okay. Okay. And now start from 500 RPMs. Performance monitor, position no. So now on our performance monitor we have the current limit and velocity. Go increase to 1500. And now to 3000. Okay, so velocity now is around 3000. And now I will increase the current till 80 amps. So this is what we have as a like thermal image of Solo. It's around 60 degrees. The power board is around 60, the control board is like 36. the brake starts warming up. "85 amps we have in our system, and this is our water. So we see that the water started heating up. Okay, let's set a timer for 10 minutes and then check what happened then. So 10 minutes left. What we have? The water temperature is like 46 degrees. Radiator shows like 50 something. And what we have here at the brake, it's on the cold side is like 35, in the center is around like 86, 87, so it's close to 90. The tubes are like that, so 70 degrees. The motor remained cool. Okay, on that side, nothing special. So this is what we have after 15 minutes of work. The water temperature is like around 52, 53 degrees. The brake inside is 90. The outer surface is like 31, 32, as it was before. The motor is working on the lowest current now. So now we are cooling the system like between the tests. So it was the water that we used before, like this small tank of 3 liters, and the temperature is about like 45 degrees. It was 53, 55 something, and this is another tank with the like cold water, like 22 degrees, and now it gets so cold, like kind of instantly, so the system is cooling down very fast. So it was like 90 degree right minute before, like this spot, and now it's 60. So the outer surface is even less. It's like 25 degrees. So this is the outer surface I'm showing. Okay, and the next step is to test the blue liquid, the cooling liquid, special one that we bought in the car repair shop with the radiator from the go-kart. So 10 minutes left, and we have this situation. The temperature in the center of the brake is around 87. Outside is like 30, around 30. The pipes are kind of 41, 42, and 37. And the cooling liquid is 43, 44. Okay, to compare exactly as like we did before, we need 5 minutes more. So totally 15 minutes of working, first 10 and now 5, and this is the heat map that we have. So the temperature in the center is 97, outside is like 30 degrees. The pipes are like 48 and the income is 44, 42. The cooling liquid is 52 degrees. So overall the performance is more or less the same. So this is what we have on the encoder side, is like 52 degrees. The pump 58, the radiator is like around 50. Okay. So overall, this is what we have. Continuous working with the water and the blue cooling liquid. After 15 minutes of working on 80 amps, remain the same.